RiderTech here. So today we are doing something different. There's a lot of bad weather, and after Christmas I got myself some quadlock stuff, and I have a Pixel. So now I have their case, and it's compatible with quadlock. So finally I can mount my phone to my bike, and we'll start with an unboxing of the things that I have here. Obviously I already fitted the case to my Pixel, but we will check this out. So first of all, I got a Poncho for my Pixel. This is an accessory to preserve the waterproofness of the phone. I bought this because I think that although this phone is rated to be waterproof, when you are in rain at speed it will probably fail eventually, so I got this in order to from me. So this is a little bit stiff, as you can see. Let's try to put it on, and here we go. The fingerprint will not work, but the code will. So this is the first thing that I bought, and as you can see the touch works. So next, the mounts. So I opted for a handlebar mount because obviously I have a naked, but they have also the stem mount, and if you have a sport bike with an open stem, this is the way to go, I think. They also have a new 360 line that will adapt to a ball joint like this. So if you have something like this that I have for my camera, you can actually have the mounts attached to this, and you don't need to buy this part, only the head and the dampener if your phone has stabilization on the camera. So let's go open this. So okay, so you pull the tab, it says right there, pull the tab to open. Nice packaging, I like this. And you have the typical plastic case, and they provide a key. This is good. And also they have different spacers. I think we'll go with the 25mm and try it out. And basically it's just this. You remove, right? This is here because the screw is loose, exactly. This has a little tab, okay. So as you can see, it has a tight lock, and you basically just align it and screw it in. So we will not do that because we have a vibration dampener. And what does this do? This is the iPhone has also a disclaimer on their site about this. Basically, you can kill your phone with the vibrations from the handlebar. They say that you should not mount your phone to a motorcycle, and this is why. We will probably need to check the instructions for this because oh no, I actually can get in there. Is it? Yes. Okay, so you type it like this. So as I was saying, the iPhone has an advisory that you should not mount it to a motorcycle because you will basically kill your phone. The camera will stop working and will stay always shaking because this stuff will the mounting on the motorcycle will vibrate your phone to that. You can stop this or mitigate this with this little device here. It's mounted on rubber spacers that will vibrate and cancel the vibrations out. So I will tell you after a long-term use how it's going. I hope to have that phone for a lot of time. So all tools have been provided, so you don't need anything so far, and I think that you basically get a free Allen key. I think this is an Allen for everything. So this is, I don't like this design. Okay, I understand it, but it's the same as this. So this is a stress point. You just tight on one end, but this one will eventually fatigue. I would love that we would have two points of tightening, but I understand why they do this. It's a cost saving, and it's better to tight just one, and the other will pinch the tube. I understand it, but I don't like it. So let's do a little bit. Don't over torque this. Okay, I think it's okay. So I will install that, and we will test with the phone how it locks, and then I will cut and we will go to the motorcycle. So okay, that's why that lock was there. So this is, I think I will maybe, okay, it's aligned. I will try like this. I would like to have my phone vertically, because when I use the GPS it will show me more, and yeah, okay, so let's try it on. So it's secure, and if we take the phone and just let me just do something. Okay, so now it's okay. And basically how this works, check, okay, how this works is you snap it like this and you twist it, and now it's fixed. And as you can see, it stays there pretty much, and you need to tab it and twist it, tab it and twist it, exactly. So it should stay there pretty good. It seems a nice, okay, and you can see the give from the spacers. Okay, so I should actually change the spacers, because as you can see that one is hitting, so it should actually be 2 up and 1 down, maybe. Let's check it out. Let's look at the instructions. So what does it say? Yeah, it says to mount it like that. Yeah, actually it says to mount it like that. Is it right? Yes? Funny. So it will actually hit there and stop it has a limit to how much it flexes, because it hits there. I don't know if it's intentional or not. Maybe Quadlock will reach out to me when I post this video, and they will tell me. Okay, if I know, after that I will tell you guys. So let's cut it and go to the bike. See you in a bit. No, not all. So we're back, and for you guys, it's been a while, so I'll probably cut this. So I'm just putting my ball mounts back. As you can see, we need to, yeah, and I think so. Just check. Okay, so first of all, get some kind of dirty rag to put on your tank to not scratch it, and then you should check the spacers that came with the box. And I actually found out my tube on the thick part is 28 millimeters, so I will install the 28 and check it out. And after that we will see if it's okay. I will try it first on the right side. I'm not sure if we have clearance over here, and then if not, I will try on the other side. In the middle it's a no-go because of the maybe I will do it like this. Let's try it out first. So okay, there goes the screw. so let's try it out first. Maybe do it like this. Does it go away? Yes, it does. So like this is easier. I should have done this in the first place. So remove everything, just put it like this maybe, and this on top of it. Okay, and I think I got it. It's 28 and maybe a little more. Okay, so let's just check the clearance, if we can do it like this, and we can. So I actually gonna put it a little bit like this, so it's more central, and then we flip this around maybe. Yeah, then we adjust this. But I think I like this like this. Let me check the phone, and the phone will go like this. So let's try it out, and we will see after. So let's go. Okay, do not tie it too much because we should need to adjust it a bit. We can. Okay, so it's actually movable still, so let's try this, and after, if we need to tighten, then we do final adjustments after. So first of all, is this okay? Yes, it is. Okay, then phone on. So, okay, and let's try it right in position. Yeah, pretty good, guys. Pretty good. You will not see the dashboard fully, but that's nothing new. You can see the blinking lights from my perspective. I'm a little bit higher than you guys, and I think this is it. So let's do a final touch. So back off. So to remove it, you just need to hit this flap, and I find it that to hit it behind the phone it's a little bit cumbersome, so let's change it. So I would say left, and let's flip this up. So okay, so first of all, this is free, and let's rotate it this way, and then let's rotate this logo side up, for those of you like me that don't like things like to be out of alignment. And there goes a screw. There goes a screw. Okay, so we flip it, and okay, and then you align it, and it's aligned, and then you tighten it. So and then final tightening. This one is pretty good already. Do not strip the screws, and this one needs a little bit of tightening. Be careful with these ones, because you can actually, that's why I don't like this very much, but this prevents from us to pinch the handlebar. because this will fail before the handlebar crumbles. And this is it, guys. I think we are done. Just tightening this one a little bit also. And basically this is the bike for now. Okay. So now if we do it like this, as you can see, it takes a little bit of practice. You need to do it. Okay. And then it stays on. Okay. It wobbles a bit, but pretty secure. Pretty secure. And it doesn't twist off. So you need to push it and then twist it and it will come off. Yeah. Pretty happy with it. And if you want to buy one, there's a link in the description to get 10% off on your order. Just click it and hope you enjoy it. I will do a review later, how it's going and how it's like to drive with this, ride with this. So thank you guys for watching. See ya.